Hello, I'm at Caravan Salon. This is Benimar. It's a Tesoro 425 motorhome. It costs €71,500 and this is 720 centimeters long, has a maximum payload of 438, 230 centimeters in width. We're going to have a quick look at it. So we've got this enormous lounge. This is very much the style of Benimar. So you want an enormous lounge, this is the brand to go for. It is true, you will find the same lounge in Roller Team and Chausson in Challenger, and that is because it's the same owner. It's all part of the Trigano group. Benimar is manufactured in Spain. Roller Team is an Italian brand. Challenger and Chausson are French brands, but all the same, it's the same group. So you'll see the same sort of thing inside. Now, what this has got: 2 burners, sink, storage in the kitchen block, large corridor, a washroom here, toilet, 2 plugs in the shower, and we've got this wall that comes across like this. This is a useful feature for keeping shampoos and soaps in, and we've got the shower there. I do think, however, is that the toilet can double as a chair for when you're in the shower. Having said that, this shower is so big that maybe that's not so much needed. I really like the way that this opens up here. We've got the fridge here, and at the back we've got 2 beds, right? But now the beds are in the garage, so you can actually get rid of one if you wanted to, and then you'd have space for whatever you might put in the garage below. So the one you'd probably get rid of is this one here. The whole thing will come out if you want. You can see the garage door from here and how much space it gives you. You've got the slit window there, so whoever's sleeping here, I think would be appreciative of that. Got the door there. The rear end, the upper end, we've also got a slit window, and we've got a skylight as well. Storage above the kitchen block, and you can make a bed down here as well. And let's see, this comes down electrically, takes 250 kilos maximum, and walk you down here. In fact, electric points there with USB. And the big question, of course, is, can I stand up under it? There, you see I'm standing up normally. Not a lot of space above me. It's 175 centimeters plus my hand, about 190 clearance, thereabouts. So let's see what we can do here. Right, I'm going to bring the bed down. I thought they mightn't have left the fuses in. Right, I'm trying to be very careful here, actually not to touch anything as always. I don't want to break anything. Right, you can see here, you don't have to even dismantle the furniture when you're bringing it down. I like that. I don't like having to dismantle it to take the furniture to pieces. Right, so okay, it's touching there now, but even so, that's pretty good. So it's all cosmetic. You might like the curtain at the top, you might not like it. It's a privacy curtain as well. It'll go all the way to the other side. Under it, we've got the nets, which will hold up the stop you falling out of bed at night. You can see you've got some eyelids up here. You attach the nets to that. You've got a television here. You can change the height of the television. Also up there, look, they've got a 12 volt plus a 230 shore electrical supply up there, hookup electrical supply. Yeah, can you sit under it? Well, I think that's a bit low to be sitting under it, but let's see if I can actually put it up a little bit and what that will actually do. Right, okay. Sorry, that was my fault. I didn't keep my hand on it. Right, would you want to sleep in there? I think that's probably about the maximum. You wouldn't want to sleep any higher than that, I think. Let's just see what's like below. Well, excellent. In fact, look, I'm sitting up here. No, that is really good. So you maybe give a little bit extra room up above. Sorry, going the wrong way. You've got storage in here as well. Don't put anything too heavy though in the storage, because I mean, the more you put that, the more it's going to strain the motors, and the motors are, if they give up, that's going to be a bit of a cost and harassment. It's a very wide open motorhome. I think that this looks as, I think actually this could potentially sleeps 8. I bet it doesn't say that though. You could that's going to be turned into, as an option, into a bed as well. So let's see what it says on the sign. How many people does it sleep? Well, it says 6, but we've got dot after it, and what does dot mean? Don't know, it's not written. 5 dot as well. 5 belted positions. So actually you can it sleeps more than it can transport. So maybe, I don't know. I'm lost on that one. 150 litre fridge, 4 kilowatt diesel heating payload, that is. And so to the highlights, possibly 5 travelling places, ISOFIX, L-shaped sitting group, and the table then can go up electrically. It's made by the company Mappa, and that will go up and down. 230 kilos and the two sleeping places in the bed. Just saw 150 litre fridge. I just said that. Okay, well then we'll just leave the rest of it. I think you've seen everything else. You can actually get an extra seat belted position as well, it said. So you can actually take 6 seat belts in there, 6th one being an option. 165 horsepower. Let's have a quick look through the garage, which I didn't show you. So obviously this will all come out here. This can be removed. This will can go out as well. So we'd have an enormous garage. Could leave that at home if you've got a home to leave it in, or you can leave it at a friend's home if you haven't. And if you haven't got any friends, you haven't got a home to leave in, you can always dump it. Storage under the bed there. Okay, it's not a lot, but if you've got rid of the bed, then you really could take quite a lot with you. Also note these things here. Ventilation. So that is the Benimar 425 from Spain. Thanks very much for watching. Hope you found it interesting. Bye for now.